So a lot of solar companies will sell a solar system based on a 25-year warranty. Now what most are talking about is a 25-year performance warranty, and that's really a worthless warranty. There's nobody in Australia that's claimed on a performance warranty that I'm aware of so far. However, the product warranty, that is the main warranty. So performance of 25 years, yeah, it doesn't really mean a great deal, but a 25-year product warranty, that's really important, because you know that if there's an issue with the junction box or the backing sheet or the glass or the frame, it's all covered. And that's really important when you're installing solar, because there's so many solar orphans out there that have been installed by companies that have gone bust and manufacturers that have gone bust, and there's no backup there. And when we're choosing a brand to bring into our range, it's really important to know that the company's been around for a long time and they'll still be around in a long time if there's an issue. When you're buying solar, you really don't want to end up like, I'm sure some of your neighbours have got solar power systems that the installers and the manufacturers have disappeared. We're very careful with our product selection to ensure that that won't happen. Essentially, we're riding our whole business on these manufacturers, so it's really crucial that we choose good manufacturers at the start, and they'll still be there to honour any problems if the unfortunate event arose that we needed them.